There are many other opportunistic infections that could theoretically be possible, but this particular fungus seems to have sort of uh, been noted a lot more frequently amongst many other. Usual opportunistic infections would be anything that's airborne or more common in the hospital, and because the defense mechanism of the patient is lowered, because of the drugs we use to reduce inflammation or the drugs we use to try and modulate our inflammatory response in the body, we try to tweak things up, and that we may not be exactly at the right spot. We may be a little fall short of overshoot it, and that would make you less strong in fighting off infections. And also, when we ventilate patients, we remove the mechanical defense mechanism. So things, all the bugs that are floating around that normal people walking around would just fight it off, tend to be able to go in easily and set up, a nice little nest in the lungs. So there would be other bacterial infections that are possible. The black fungus is what we call as mucormycosis. It's sort of like the almost like the mold that grows on bread if you left it out, a little powdery black stuff. So it almost never grows in immunocompetent, or people with good immune systems don't seem to grow it because we have the ability to fight it off. So therefore, one needs to understand that it only happens in people who have whose immunity is depressed. It would be the worst case scenarios would be uncontrolled HIV, but more commonly diabetics who are not very well controlled, the people in whom we use steroids, and we do use steroids in our patients with COVID, and therefore very judicious use of steroids would be something that's very should be watched for and should be adhered to by physicians. Must not be a knee-jerk reaction. COVID RT-PCR positive, here's a prescription for steroid. Correct dosing of steroids is important. Even if it was indicated, you should not be overdosing them because that would also suppress the immunity. And also sometimes, combination of things in terms of other illnesses which further weaken the immune system, the severity of the illness itself. So mucormycosis is a rare, uncommon, opportunistic fungal infection that tends to occur in immunocompromised individuals only.